People often say if it's not broken, don't fix it. And while this sounds great, it's simply not applicable when it comes to property.
Today we're going to be addressing 5 things that you can look for around the home that, if addressed early, can save you thousands.
One of the best spots to start looking when you're looking at for potential maintenance issues is plumbing leaks. Now, water is a real hazard when it comes to property, and it's something you want to keep out. So the first spot to start looking for potential plumbing leaks is around the kitchen area. Here we recommend looking under the kitchen cabinetry, especially under the sink, around the toilets, and in general for leaking taps. Now, an added bonus to fixing these plumbing issues is you can massively reduce your water bill.
Just like plumbing leaks, unsealed shower grout and missing silicone in a bathroom can lead to major water penetration behind things like cabinetry and bathtubs, potentially leading to major structural issues. For just a few dollars and a quick trip to Bunnings, you can attend to these items yourself, potentially saving you thousands in damage. Here's 2 main places you should be looking for gaps.
The third thing to look out for is overgrown gardens. Now, we all have the best of intentions when we plant small little trees, but over time the trees get bigger and bigger. So as these trees grow, make sure they're not overhanging roofs or touching the side of the house. Now, if you're getting leaf litter on the roof of your home, it can drastically shorten the life expectancy of your roof. And the other danger here is when trees are touching properties, they can become an access route for termites. So be really mindful of that. Make sure your gardens are kept away from the property and keep them pruned.
Gutters are designed to channel water away from the foundation, so keeping them clear and undamaged is crucial in protecting the structural integrity of your building. The good news about this simple maintenance item is it will cost you nothing except for a little bit of your time.
Water really is the devil when it comes to maintaining your home, and that's where our 5th and final tip comes in, and that's exterior paint. Keeping a nice fresh coat of paint on the exterior of your house is vitally important to keeping moisture out. So if you are looking for a project, consider looking at replacing or repainting the outside of your home, as it will drastically extend the life of the property.
If your property is professionally managed at the moment, ensure that your property manager is keeping an eye out for these 5 things around the home. They cost you very little at the start, but can potentially result in thousands of dollars worth of damage. If you do find things in your routine inspection reports that do need this attention, simply reach out to your property manager and ask for the works to be completed.
So there you have it, guys. There's our 5 tips at things, whether you're an investor or whether you're an owner-occupier, that you should be looking out for to really save those thousands of dollars in major maintenance into the future. Now, if you are based in Cairns or own a property in Cairns and don't know who to reach out to, feel free to contact either myself or Nicole, and we can send you our trusted trades list. Now, thanks for tuning in, guys, and have a fantastic week.